There was a study that had a bunch of human doctors and AIs make some diagnoses and then had the patients evaluate them. And it turned out that the AI was slightly better than the doctors on the accuracy of the diagnoses, but it actually did much better than the doctors on bedside manner.
So if you play that forward, many people now are saying, gosh, AI might take our jobs. What's your take?
Well, AI, other technologies have always been destroying jobs. They've always been creating jobs. That's part of the nature of technology. That said, I expect it to accelerate. AI will increase the churn. There may be some evidence that's already happening in certain categories like software engineering, call centers. I don't think it's going to happen as fast as some of my Silicon Valley technology friends believe, but I think it'll be faster than it did in some of the earlier eras.
Can we know now and can we predict now maybe where the balance will fall? Will it create more jobs? Will it destroy more jobs? Is there something about the jobs that it'll create or destroy that we can kind of understand today?
When technology makes a job more efficient, it has two effects. One is that you don't need as many people to produce the same amount of output. But the other effect is as the costs come down, people demand more output. And those two effects go in opposite directions. So interestingly, in some cases, that technological advance leads to fewer jobs, which is kind of intuitive. But in other cases, it actually leads to more jobs. Let me give you a concrete example of the second case, because that's the less intuitive one. When jet engines made pilots more efficient, did that mean that we didn't have as many pilots anymore? No, of course we had a lot more because people just flew a lot more.
I remember also reading something about ATMs and the effect there, how when they were created, they automated a large portion of a bank teller's job. But as a result, we actually have more branches.
They have just recently started turning down, but for about 20 years, they actually led to, or they were correlated at least, with more demand for bank tellers.